It's another day in Japan, and right now it smells like cigarettes and sulfur. For the record, it smells terrible because this is all like, this is like an actual like hot spring, and so it smells like sulfur, so it's not a great smell.
Okay, I'm done with that.
Clears your lungs.
Oh no, it doesn't. It does the exact opposite. And leaves bad taste in your mouth.
But hang on, before antibiotics. Well, that's a bit
It's terrible.
too strong for us.
Blue chunks there.
I hear it. No bueno.
We continue onwards. Volcanoes. Boiling pool of water where dinosaurs go to die. It's kind of hard for me to breathe, so just going with it. This is all sulfur and it smells freaking atrocious. They had to put these things over because they spell intermittent wrong and guys are wrong underneath. So being here is kind of like being on another planet, and it's kind of cool. It looks like another planet, it smells terrible, and yep.
It's like a different language, like another planet.
On the list of things that I don't want to smell again, that would be one of them. Cue Jurassic Park theme song. That is arguably one of the best ramens I've ever had, and I would highly recommend. It's like a solid like 11 out of 10. Like, I don't know why I haven't been eating ramen here more often.
Taxis.
Welcome to Hakodate.